Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Swiss Army knife. And this one is the Victorinox Solo Alox. You might also see it listed as the Swiss Army 1, as you can see from the listing right here. I guess y'all can see that. Is that focusing alright? Anyway, this is kind of a simple, straightforward knife. It has Alox scales and a single blade. And this is just the large blade from one of the 93mm Swiss Army knives. So it is a very traditional kind of single blade pocket knife. Now, I gotta tell you, and this might sound a little weird, but looking at this in person, it looks really striking and just nice. Now, it's not super expensive. It's like 20 bucks. And with the Alox scales and the just one blade, I kind of think this thing's almost indestructible. I mean, it's not indestructible, but it will survive a massive amount of abuse. And I don't know. I'm kind of torn about this. I like the simple elegance of just the one blade, and well, it's a Swiss Army knife, so it's almost pointless to show you how sharp these are out of the box. But I mean, like, they come out of the box sharp is my point. So you got that. The blade itself is, well, I'll give it to you all in. It's about, the blade itself, it looks like it's about, call it 64 centimeters. You'll see that alright? Or, if you are pretty close to 2.5 inches, maybe 5/8, 2 5/8. So it's a decent length of blade. And I don't know. It's kind of weird. When I saw this, I was like, I kind of just want to look at it and see and check it out. And it looks good. And I wasn't expecting to like this as much as I do. The only problem I have is if I'm going to carry a Swiss Army knife, I feel like I want more tools than this. But the other thing is, if I'm looking for a pocket knife, like just a straight, plain, single blade, old-timey pocket knife, this one is nice looking. So maybe it's one of those things, like, it's not specifically for me because I want a few more bells and whistles with my Swiss Army knife. But if you're looking for like a one-blade pocket knife type thing, and you don't want to go with something like one of the larger knives, like the Benchmade Bug Out, and this is actually kind of small in this flavor of knife department, where you have a larger blade, and you just want a more traditional pocket knife. I like it. I'm surprised how much I like this knife. I really am. It just looks so good, and I don't even think I would have appreciated it. I didn't appreciate it looking at the picture. And it's probably going to be difficult for y'all to fully appreciate how nice it has a... I know I'm talking this knife up, and it's a... I mean, like, if you've watched any of my Swiss Army knives before, we've looked at a lot of many more exotic, unusual, weird Swiss Army knives. But I don't know. I like everything about this knife, and I think if I were looking for a single blade pocket knife, this would be high on my list. And I didn't, like, when I first ordered it, I didn't think it would be. I was just kind of like, meh, it'll be. But yeah, I'm liking this a lot. Plus, I can tell you one thing, and this is one of the things that has stuck with me about. If you like apples, and I know it's dumb, but if you like apples, this is one of the best blades to cut and eat an apple with. Anyway. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is a single blade like Alox Swiss Army knife pointless or weird or what? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.